Hello viewers, welcome to MAK Presents. Today I will be showing you how to easily take a screenshot using just one finger. iOS 14 has a hidden new feature which allows you to double tap on back of your iPhone to take screenshots. So let's get to it. Tap on settings and then you scroll down to accessibility, and then you want to tap on touch, and then you want to scroll all the way right to the very bottom where it says back tap. Double or triple the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. So we'll tap on here, and then you can choose double tap or triple tap to activate this function. I went for double tap, so I'll tap here. As you can see here, there are many options and screenshot is one of them, so I'll select screenshot and let's go back out of here and then test it out. You can also say, hey Siri, take a screenshot. And there you have it. Simples.